And as I walk through the valley of death, my voice echoes out through the night. Lord, Lord, whatever your reason, don't believe the reason right.
Or more or less. Hello folks, it's us again, and see your twin? Right here? Twins. Anyway, what's new this week? Not much. We're just doing a tool review. I'm going to spread them out just for the hell of it. One of the newest things I got, guess what? Last week I did a review on a flashy Milwaukee black. Well, now I got one of these. Look at the color difference. This is the one I did a review on. These are the Harbor Freight ones. So I got me a Harbor Freight one. She's playing with those ones. But they seem like they're pretty good quality. They're also cold on the hands. And if you hear noise in the background, that's just a heater we plugged in just to keep us warm. It's not really cold anymore. The garage is still cold. All the metal's got to come to temperature. So we're just keeping the heat on, right? Just for a little while. And I'll probably bring you back later. So anyway, I picked up one of these. It's a Harbor Freight cheapo special. Believe it or not, they're actually made. If you hold on, I'll go check out the other ones. Right.
I'm coming back.
Where's the other one? Of course, I never find them. I'll edit that out of the video. Anyway, I have this is a vintage, this is a Peterson vintage one, yep. And I have
Pinch your nose up.
this is a vintage vice grip one, it's even smaller, see? It's the mini one. I don't think they make this one anymore. I got these two. You stop. This is the Milwaukee, and that's the old vice grip. And then here's the Harbor Freight versus, this is the Harbor Freight, and this is the old Peterson ones.
Like a hotel.
You can look, these are...
We got a hotel.
Claire. They look pretty much the same, believe it or not. This one's got a bigger little whale tail. Other than that, not much in that area. They also picked up a little barbecue scrubber, just in case you're wondering. Why did I buy one of these? Because apparently those little rods from God, they get stuck in throats and kill you. So I bought one of these scrubbers. Since everybody's on the, we're going to get a metal thread stuck on our throat bandwagon. Now I can just rub it up, scrub the barbecue. I picked up some cheap barbecue lighters. Because you never know, you need to set things on fire. Yeah, especially these days. What are you doing? I also picked up, this is pretty much a repeat video. I picked up another one of these suckers. These, what do you call it? Just a Braun light. I like this so much I bought two of them just for my house. Because if you have metal doors, stop. If you have metal doors, you can just stick them on it, and the light turns like this. Of course, the bottom screws always come off to my kids. The light turns. I think it's what, 180 degrees. It goes back and forth. It goes up and down.
Down, all around.
It has 3 selections. You've probably seen a little bit. This one goes this way, and then this way.
It sticks on metal.
Sticks on metal, see? Comes off. See? Other than that, oh, and I also picked up more of these breakers. More 15 amp breakers. I have a lot of circuits put in. Not much, what do you call it? See? These things, I paid $21 for 3 of these. They, with the veterans discount, comes out to $6 a piece. One of them here is 20 bucks. plus tax. For the price of one here, I could buy 3 in US. So anyway, that's the first thing I got.
What are these? Are 20 bucks?
No, these aren't 20 bucks. These are like, this is like $7. Somebody likes vice grips too, right? Yeah. Okay. Anyway, that's gonna end this video because I gotta bring this back to the house. I bring these back. I don't know what she's doing. I'm gonna find out what she's doing and edit the video later. I always start laughing because they're always doing stuff in the back and I don't pay attention. But anyway, the brawn gives you a... Oh, the brawn ones, if you have the... this is what I noticed online too. If you take off the cap,
It has a weird
you have an
battery.
easily replaceable lithium... I don't know what these are called. 70 something, 70, 20, whatever, 18s. So, yeah. You just... really good, all aluminum. And this one, the back cap doesn't seem to stay on. I don't think it's a matter of staying on, it's just a matter of when you go like this and turn it. So, yeah. Anyway, that'll be the end of this video for now, and we'll move on to the next one. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to click buttons and touch things on the screen and add and subscribe and like.
Like and subscribe.
Yeah. Toodles.
Bye.
There's the button here. There we go.